college debt, the minute you come out of college, they have a job, barely making enough to pay the debt back. Does that make sense? Let's give our kids a head start. So debt is the family curse. You lose the second 1/3. Here's why. Taxes cause debt. So 2 and 3 are married. See, the government kick you in the front, then the bank kick you in the butt. Then you wonder why the middle class, you're like, dang, I'm struggling. Because you steady getting hit. Boom, boom. So as soon as you get hit in the butt, you're getting hit in the stomach. And those two are the largest expenses you got. Because if the government didn't take 50, if you make 50, and the government take 18, you take home 32. Right. So you spend the rest of your life trying to make the 18 back to get back to up to your gross, which is what? 50. And you qualify for everything on your gross, but that ain't what you make. Right. So they ask you what your gross is, but you're like, that ain't what I take home. I know, but we qualify you for that because they need the interest. So now government take 18, you take home 32. So now you just put on a credit card. Get back up to what? 50. Wow. Need a car note? No problem. Kids can't go to school? No problem. You student what? You taught that debt is cool. It's just the way it is. No. If this car worth 18, you sell it to me for 26, you're already winning an extra 8. Then by the time I try to get rid of it, I got more debt. I'm upside down. I just roll over to the next car. Right. Am I right? Yes. So what happens is we pass that on to the kids. And then we wonder why we keep buying things that depreciate. You wonder why we don't have no assets, because that's the curse that's got to stop. Here's the question. How much more money would you have if your debt was 0?
Put you in the morning.
See, it ain't the income. It's your debt.
There we go.
If you had no car note, no mortgage, no student loans, no personal loans, no credit cards, and all your money came and stayed with you, you'll be a happy camper.
Lord.
Mm-hmm.
People said, Brian, I get paid Friday. I said, no, your bills get paid Friday. You don't get paid, you get paid Friday, but as soon as you get it, it's what? It's gone. So we got to stop the curse. So what happens is if you work for the government and pay taxes for a third of the year, that means you work for the government from January to April. Mm-hmm. That's on the sheet. That's something you to think about. Because our fraction is 1 over what? 3. So that means you work for a third of the what? Year. Yeah. That means you work for the banks from May to August. Because you got to pay them back. Yeah. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I don't know about you, but 2 over 3 is 2/3. That means 2/3 of my money gone.